This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution MP1000 device synchronization, and this topic will cover pushing a configuration to the target device. Device synchronization ensures that the MP1000 reflects the most accurate and up-to-date information from your managed devices. To begin, log in to the MP1000 web interface. Navigate to the Administration tab on the left-hand side, select System Settings, and then select Synchronization Configuration. On the Synchronization Configuration page, change the radio button to Push to the target device. Once the configuration is saved, navigate back to the Appliance View or Target List page, and select the desired target to configure. Once you select your target, a pop-up menu will appear from the right-hand side. In the Properties menu, select the Edit pencil and make the desired configurations. You'll see that the device edit is successful once you hit Save. Now, scroll to the right-hand side, select the vertical ellipses, and select Resync. When prompted, "Are you sure you want to resync?" select the Yes, Resync option. After waiting around 30 to 40 seconds for the synchronization to complete, you can view the changed target information on the Appliance View page. When you access the target web interface by itself, you should also see the changes reflected. This concludes the topic of the Vertiv DSView solution MP1000 device synchronization, pushing to the target device.